Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. YouTube just cancelled crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. I'm going to show you evidence of this now. This is going to be scary for some. Scary for me. My job is YouTube. Everything has just changed. I'm going to share it all with you now, and this is going to make life difficult for many people. But if you understand what is really going on, you understand that's actually a good thing. Get ready for it. Here we go. So welcome everybody. Good afternoon to you all. It's lovely to see you. Please do tap the like button if you like live, unedited, unscripted. I mean, literally close my eyes. I can just talk out of my head. All right. I'm just live here talking to you about this breaking story. This is really, really scary. Tap the like button if you are an investor and you want to share this out, because if you understand what I'm going to share with you now, you'll be glad you knew the answer to this. Consider subscribing as well if you want to support a live channel. So what's going on? Why am I so excited about all of this? Why am I all het up? I will come back to comments and questions as well. Henrik, good afternoon to you. Liz, hello. Penny, yes, the talks have been cancelled. There's all sorts of drama going on, but we're talking about XRP, we're talking about crypto, we're talking about Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all your favorite crypto right now. Listen, let me tell you what I've just found out. You may have noticed, if you've been watching your favorite YouTubers on crypto recently, their numbers are down. Everyone's numbers are down across the whole of YouTube. It's being spoken about now amongst the biggest YouTubers. Mr. Beast is covering it. Everyone from the biggest to the smallest. YouTube is changing everything, and we are all going to see it. And especially for those of you who are invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto, you're going to see it the most. So let me explain exactly what is going on. So since September, numbers are dramatically down on YouTube videos, live streams, shorts, everything. And the simple reason is, in September, ChatGPT rocketed up. With Claude and other AI models coming on now, taking away the how-to question. YouTube is famous for its how-to. So, what's the best crypto? How do I make this? How do I do that? Am I going to get rich if I buy Bitcoin? What's the top of Bitcoin? What's the bottom of Bitcoin? All these kind of how-to questions. Well, guess what? There's a new kid in town. It's called AI. Suddenly, AI has come home to me now. Now we're starting to see AI share and show up everywhere. So we're seeing it affecting day-to-day people. It's affecting me. It's going to affect you. So a lot of YouTubers have made videos. The number one space is on crypto. More videos are made on financial subjects than anything else, because it's the number one sector to make money. It's the highest click-through rate. It's the highest CPM, what you earn ad revenue, and so on and so forth. For those that do it well, you can make a living. This is my full-time job. This is what I do now. However, people are turning away from YouTube, asking about their favorite crypto, and going to ChatGPT. Now, where's the problem in that, you might ask? You just want to know about crypto, right? You want to know what's going up, what's going down, how to trade, whatever. More people are now going to ChatGPT for that question than coming to YouTube. Here's the problem, though. YouTube has built communities. It's built engagement around your favorite coins. Whole communities, cultures, lifestyles have been built around crypto. And without it, things change. And now it's not bad for XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, but it changes because it's going mainstream. It's going to institutions. It's going to banks. You're going to see less and less and less of it. And the reason why you're going to see less and less and less of it is because those that were making a living, people like me on YouTube, are having their income slashed. Right? Some smaller channels who focus on making videos, their numbers have dropped by 60%. one by one, they're dropping off. They're not going to continue. There will be no sensationalistic videos about the price of Bitcoin, about the price of Ethereum. And that means retail has nowhere to go to get excited, enthusiastic about it. Now, that might be a good thing because a lot of people make up stories and stuff anyway, and it's probably good in some respects. That's why you've seen recently X exploding with posts all about price predictions. We talk about it a lot on the show. So what we're going to get now is a different type of YouTube. All right. A lot of the channels that make videos using AI disappearing. If you simply script your show, copy and paste from another video, or you're not live, or you're just trying to catch a trend, YouTube is getting rid of you, either demonetizing your channel or basically just not showing anybody, so you just give up anyway. That is what's happening. If you're not unique, if you're not entertaining, if you're not engaging, if you're just repeating the same old crypto splurge and ridiculousness about it, YouTube wants less of it. And the reason why it wants less of it is because what's left will be better. What's left will earn more money. The channels that remain, their CPM rate will go up because there'll be less places for advertisers to advertise on YouTube. So the way to win on YouTube and the way for crypto to survive is people need to be live. They need to be live like we always are. They need to be engaging. They need to have communities. You can't rely on AI to produce everything for you. Not that we ever do anyway. I'm always live doing it the way I'm doing it, talking to you. But it will affect retail because retail investors who watch YouTube get excited about getting rich in 5 minutes. You don't get that by being a solitary animal asking the question on ChatGPT. Now, this is where, though, crypto has just evolved in a good way because now we're going to have institutions and banks taking over. And that means those of us that are left that are paying attention are going to earn a whole lot more money. So everything has changed. It actually changed in September and nobody really noticed it. I noticed in mid-September, the views were going down and our posts were going up. You might have seen our posts on our community channel. We were seeing that. And I thought, my gosh, they're measuring posts. Now, you don't make any money from posts. The reason is they're trying to compete with X. They're trying to get people to engage in conversation, and conversation is what it's all about. So people who simply make videos, who answer questions, are about to lose it all. And because they're not getting the success on YouTube, they're going to give up. There'll be less channels. The ones that are left will have to survive and adapt. But we've always been live. We've always been real. This is what we do. I'm always sitting here talking to you up to 12 hours a day. We will be stronger. We will grow stronger. But the others will fade away. Now, initially, this is going to affect crypto. You can see crypto is just going, it's down and down. We're not seeing any energy in crypto for a long time. And everyone says the history repeats itself. It doesn't. Things are different now. We've got institution adoption. We've got government adoption. It's not the maverick, free-spirited thing it was a few years ago, where social media influencers and people watching YouTube felt they were controlling it. You're not. It's now being controlled by banks and institutions. And that's where it always ends up. If you remember, I always said crypto, money, power, it'll always go that way. And that's how it will go again. So things are going to change. You're going to see a lot of volatility and a lot less about your favorite crypto online because those that cover it are going to get less views. They're not going to be shown to you so much and they're just not going to do it anymore. Not me. I'll always be here. I'll always be live because what we do is unique. No one does it the way I do it. I'm live. My team are live. We're engaging. We talk to you. That's the only way to survive. But we are going to see a change and an adoption. Now, this is a good thing because for crypto to really, really mature and become a stable asset and to really become the investment you always hoped it would be. You need all the rubbish out of the system. You need all those people that price predict silly things to get famous on YouTube for clicks and ad revenue. Ad revenue is our smallest part of what we do here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We survive on memberships. We survive on super chats. Without that, we don't make any money because you just don't make money on live streams anyway. And I've always told you it's about being live. So that's what we do. So anyway, I'm going to go to comments and questions now and see what you think about all of this, because in a few minutes, we're going to go over to Vaz. Vaz has got a live United Airlines earnings. And this is important. That's coming up next. So what can you do if you are in crypto and you want to keep crypto front and center? You want it to be seen on the TV. You want to see people talking about it. Well, then support your favorite YouTuber. If that's me or someone else, I don't care. But whatever you care about, take the time to look at it, rather than get your answer from ChatGPT and sit there by yourself in a lone dark room being told XRP is the next biggest thing. Get involved, but choose wisely. Choose the videos or live streamers that support you, that go live for you, that answer your questions, that are engaging. And those YouTubers, people like me, we're going to get stronger. Our views are going to get greater. Our views are all down now. Everyone's views are down now. But as it all settles itself down, you will see that we will plateau and we'll flatten out, and then we'll start to take off. So what do you think about this? Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Let me read your comments. So we've got Stephen Lewandowski is here. Our oil baron is here. How are you, Stephen? Oi says, Dalish, how you doing? Google dropped. Yes, Google dropped. We sold it at the top, 336. There's a lot going on in the space right now. What's going on in the war is just got 10 times worse. Trump can't end it. We can't stop the war now. Anyway, I think we got, did we get, oh, hang on a minute. We got something coming on the screen. Why didn't that show? That should have showed, but it didn't show on the screen. Someone just did a super chat. Let me share it on the screen manually. For some reason, sometimes they don't play. This was a super chat from High Energy, and he says, "Here's to surviving, mate." Thank you very much indeed. I appreciate that. So, what do you think about all of this? Let me go through the comments. What do you think? Is it a good thing or bad thing? Anyway, good evening all from Denmark. There's Henrik. Yes, talks have been cancelled. Yes, they have. Hey, folks, how you doing? Human being Liz. Oh, Martyn. Yeah, big change. Big change. We've now got crypto. YouTube is being killed by ChatGPT. Awful, right? But those that are live, that have real personalities, I hope you think so. I hope you think so. We will be stronger. They don't want you in it. That's right. You are spot on. They don't want you in it. Not literally. It's not a hate campaign, but they don't need you. They just want to own it. Remember, I told you it's not about money. It's about power and control. Hello, Martyn. Thank you for all you do. Penny Harris, thank you for being one of my members. I appreciate you. Without the members, we wouldn't be here. Ad revenue is now just going to nothing. All right. Views are going to nothing, but not for us. We will survive. We will come back stronger. Let's have a look. Thoughts on this, friend. April 26th, Cardano CEO Charles Hoskinson criticized Ripple and XRP, arguing that XRP's Ripple what did it say? Business model benefits its company profits rather than XRP. I haven't got a thought on that. Let me give it some time to think about it. Delan, France, hello to you. Darb, hello to you. Liz from Germany is here. Stephen Lewandowski is here. Palantir, I'm not sure what your comment is. It's overbought, overpriced. It doesn't make any sense, like 1,000 times earnings. I'm not sure that's the way to go. The Crypto Keeper. What you think of Rave Deo? I've never heard of him. Never heard of him. I'll take Martyn over ChatGPT anytime. Thank you so much indeed. That's why we're live. That's why we're real. Rave Dyer, biggest rug pull ever, says High Energy. I've never heard of the guy. If it's a guy, I don't know. Unfortunately, many will be easily manipulated by whatever some programmed AI tells them. If your YouTube channel is quality, people will come. People want quality, not hype. Thank you so much indeed. But it needs to be live and engaging, though. Wisdoma. Dang, rave up 100%. Rave up 100% again. Let's see if they stop the scammers with their sponsored ads. That'd be interesting to see. Yeah, we don't do that kind of thing here. Let's see if they stop the scammers, said Doctor. Oh, Dennis, says Liz. Oh, Rob, Terry Rose. No more safe moon tokens, says Wisdoma. I don't see this percent you talk about. I don't see the percent you talk about. What do you mean, Liz? I mean, you don't have my analytics, so you can't see my numbers. But I can tell you, everyone's numbers are 60% down, dramatically down. People's numbers are dramatically down. This is not just my channel, it's everyone's channel. I talk to high energy just in case. Good afternoon, all Anubis. Bye, says Casey Tops. I don't just think you just bye, regardless. No. DJ Hayes, crew just hit 100 a barrel once again. Yep, it's going up again. There's going to be more drama this weekend. Okay, I guess I'll just get ignored. And not at all. We speak to everybody. But we focus on our members. You're not a member, remember? And there's not another YouTube channel on earth that reads everyone's comments. I do. So please be respectful. Own as much as you can and stack stats, said Chantali Fiaoyi, I think it is. How low can Nvidia go? Well, we sold it at the top, as we always do. Good afternoon, everyone. William Myers. Thank you, William, for sharing everything as you always do. You're absolutely amazing on X, by the way. Hello, Martin. Hello, KC. How you doing? Everyone watching. I'll have to start over. Family debts. I'll keep my bronze, though. Thank you, Terry Rose. Hi, DJ. How you doing? Will they cancel Vaz? Just kidding. Of course they won't cancel Vaz. The only person who can do that is me, and I'm not going to do it. Hi from 37,000 feet above the US. Oh, look at this. Keep up the great information. Logan is up in the air. He's on bloody, what do you call it? He's on Wi-Fi in the plane. Hi, Stephen. I still on vacation. Crude hasn't hit 100, says Boy of Steel. Okay, well, someone just told me it had. I trust Stephen Lewandowski. So anyway, there we go. I'm about to end the stream now and send you all over to Vaz for his special event. So let me give you the link to that now. We're about to go live. So what do you think about that? I'm surprised no one reacted to it. No one said anything. If you are watching on the phone, join us here on the main show. You simply, I see there's 35 people watching on the phone. If you click the icon, you can come across and see the big widescreen TV show. You might want to watch that. So here we go. This is where we're going now. This is Vaz. Vaz will be live in just a few moments' time with a United Airlines earnings call. This is the event. Let me bring it up to you now. There you go. This is United Airlines. Vaz will be live in just a minute. So I'm going to give it to you all now. Live now. Here we go. All join Vaz if you want the real... Oh, there we go. Super chats are playing. There you go.
At Javi LGC tip $9.99 through Super Chat. Thank you, Martin, for all. Appreciate you. Thanks to you, I improved my knowledge about markets and crypto tea.
You're very, very welcome. Thank you very much indeed. I mean, I'm glad you're winning. That's absolutely fantastic. You can win if you focus on value, but things are just going to change. Things always change. You have to roll and adapt with them. It's, just the way the world works. But yeah, as long as you adapt and roll with things, you'll be fine. But those that just produce AI content or make videos that everybody else does, repeat the same story, go for clickbait, those channels are all coming to an end now. YouTube are demonetizing them. You won't see them as much. They're all just basically going to fizzle away, because if they're not making any money, they'll just fizzle away. Whereas we'll be live. We'll carry on for you. We will bring you the stories of crypto, but we'll do it honestly, real. We'll provide it engaging entertainment live. So there we go. That's what it's all about. Anyway, crypto's turning green now today. Very nice indeed. Let me show you my portfolio. It's been a very, very tough day today. We've seen everything sell off. Let's go through it all. You can see XRP is down. Ethereum is up. Bitcoin is down. The S&P, no surprise, the war is just ramping up. Trump can't end it. He can't finish it. He can't get out of it. And no deal has been done. It's just going to get a lot worse now. So the S&P is going down. We bought that at the low, so we're up on the year 7%. Whereas the S&P now is flat. We're doing very well. VUG, same story. Coca-Cola, we've been buying defensive like it's the last stock in the world. I've got now $300,000 of Coca-Cola because that's where you want to be when the rotation begins. It's not happened today. The markets have been behaving very strangely indeed. Everything's been going down. Even defensive has not been sucking up the energy. So there you go. Let's go back to crypto, wrap this up and send you all over to Vaz. It'll take you there automatically. So you've got the link in the chat. Do join me. Let me read the last few comments that we have. There will be a stage event as well. Straight after Vaz, there will be a stage event in Discord as well. Our second one of the day. Let's have a little look. Let's read some comments. Stadavi from Hawaii says, as a former media analyst, I can say with conviction that is a good thing. I agree with you, Stadavi. We have a saying in England, the cream always rises to the top. It's great. I agree. By being live, by being real, by being engaging, have a real personality, not the old rubbish. It's good. I'm really glad. It's good for us, but it'll be tough for a while, but it'll be good for us in the end. Please call me Martyn.
Has become a member. Please call me Martyn.
Please call you? You want me to call you? Okay, please call me. Okay, Vaz. Oh, there he is. He's in the chat. Whoops, a daisy. Hello. Okay. Hello, Vaz. What's up, mate? Yeah. They pushed the earnings back till tomorrow morning. If you don't need to show. Oh, that's fine. April 22nd. Yeah, tomorrow. Okay, Vaz. Okay, we'll have a chat afterwards, but obviously it's not going to happen tonight, is it? Okay, mate. Thank you ever so much. Cheers, mate. All right. There is no United Airlines earnings, I'm afraid, tonight. It's not happening because it's been moved till tomorrow. There's a lot of stuff going on behind the scenes right now. So we're going to just change our settings a little bit. Let's change things. So we'll keep this going for a little while longer then. In fact, we'll go directly to Discord and we'll do our live trades on Discord. So we're going to get set up for tomorrow's for tomorrow. So let me just change the event. So we'll go to Discord instead. Let me just make some adjustments here. There is no United Airlines tonight. Okay, so that pin that is at the top, that will be replaced in a second. Please disregard that. That isn't happening. So let me change this, customize, change that. Unfortunately, Vaz was all set as well, but he won't be able to do tomorrow morning because he's at work. Unfortunately, there's nothing we can do about that. They've moved the time. I'll have a look at doing it. See if I can do it. If there's some interest for it. I will cover it in the morning, but we'll have a look. Right, let me just amend all of this. Okay, there we go. We've done all of that. Okay, so I'm going to go live. Whoops, live now. I'll send everyone to Extra, and then the rest of us will go to Discord. Okay, so replay of today's events. So let me just do some Discord onboarding for you. For those of you that want it, let me explain what's going to happen. This is all live, unedited, unscripted. You never know what's going to happen, do you, folks? Live now on Extra. Did I post that twice? Looks like I did. Oh, I know why. I'm not used to the double streams yet. Okay, here we go. Live now on Extra. Replace the pin. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to end this show in a couple of moments. We're going to go over to Discord and we're going to do one-on-one support. We're going to share all our trades. What we're going to do, we don't get front run here. We don't stick all our trades on the screen so everyone can copy what we're doing and see what we're doing, because everything is changing now. And with social media going nuts the way it is and YouTube being scaled back, we don't share our trades. We do it all privately for our members, and we also on YouTube Electrum, and we also do it on Discord. So if you want to join us on Discord, that's where I'm going now. And let me explain to you what Discord actually is for everybody that's interested. We have one-on-one service privately where we answer questions. I share all my trades 24/7. At 3 o'clock in the morning, you will know, if you want to look, what I'm buying and selling. And I'm trading 24/7. Just me. No AI, no bots, just me doing my thing. And if you want to know, and we always win, I'm always winning. My portfolio is doing great. If you look at my portfolio, we're coming up now. Coca-Cola is just starting to come up. If you look at my 1 year, I've made 54% in 1 year, $115,000, no shorts, no options, and I've made no money on crypto yet. That is all by the S&P and Coca-Cola. Buying with conviction, buying at the right time, always timing the market. And trust me, you can time the market, because I always do. Always. So if you want to learn all about that and you want to experience a great investment community for a couple of bucks, I could charge a lot more than that. All my members say so, but I choose to do it to help as many people as possible, because I make as much money as I need by actually investing. I don't know why anyone follows anybody that doesn't show their trades, just talk nonsense, and pays them for training courses and pays them for all sorts of stuff, when surely you should be able to make money from doing it rather than teaching it. We make money from doing it, and then we give you the teaching and the training and the community for virtually free. Okay, so and it is time we take out the tax and the commission to Discord. It's basically free. So if you want to join me on Discord, here is the link. I think it's pinned to the top. No, it's not. There's Discord. There's YouTube Electrum. I've just dropped it in the chat. Has that worked? Has that worked? Things are all different. Oh, there it is. There it is. There you go. So there is Discord. Now, if anybody wants to do it now, I will onboard you right now. You can be onboarded, and I'll be in Discord on 1:45, which is in 20 minutes from now, doing one-on-one, discussing tomorrow, discussing what we're expecting with the trades, with Trump, the war, and everything else that's going on, and all the rest of it. So this is our position. Let me show you. I've got in XRP, this is my real trades, my real money, $24,000 in XRP. In Ethereum, I have $18,000 in Ethereum. Only a couple $100 in Bitcoin. No, is it a couple of $100? Couple of thousand in Bitcoin, just for a bit of fun. All right. My main position is in stocks. In the S&P 500, I've got $155,000. In VUG, this is my real money as well, all my real money, $165,000. Okay, and my main position with $350,000 with my Roth and this is Coca-Cola. We want to be defensive. 250,000 here, 65,000 in the Roth. So that's over $300,000 in Coca-Cola. That's where you want to be. I know it doesn't look like it right now, but that is where you want to be. And that's where I am. Okay, so let me see if anybody on Discord wanted to get onboarded throughout the stream. If you are, I can onboard you live. Let's have a look. So we had Kaio. Kaio would like to get on. He said, I want to learn how to trade. That was your message to me. So let me onboard you now. Now, some of these might be not good characters. Some of you might be. Let me have a little look. So I'm going to onboard you live on the show. Once you've got through subscription and you've watched the introductory video, send me a friend request. But don't do that until you've been accepted on the server. You don't choose our server. We choose you, because we don't want thousands of people. We just want a few good investors so we can help and provide a good service. We don't want millions of people just clogging it all up and larking around and stuff like that. So that's not what we do. So let me send you your video. This is for Kaio. Thank you very much. You've got 4 questions. Here they come. You've got it's an 8-minute video. Watch it all the way through. Answer the questions. It's there to protect you, make you safe. We don't want anyone getting scammed by anybody. It happens a lot on social media. We're always protecting people. We've got Palmeren. Palmeren has just asked to join the server as well. We are now coming at the point of saturation on the server. We're not going to keep adding people because if it gets too big, I can't provide the level of service that I want. So Palmeren, let me just send you this information. We're going to be live in Discord in 16 minutes. So if you join now, you can be at our stage event. Okay. And you can ask questions. You get Sensei does chart shows. We share all our trades 24/7, all of that stuff. Let me send you the video. This might be the last one. I think I did a few before I came on air. Okay. Okay. Palmeren. Whoop whoop. Let me have a look at that one. Oh, I've done that one. So we're all up to date. I do have any friend requests? No. Okay, we're all up to date. Fantastic. So I'm going to set up the event now and give you all the link to it as well for those of you that want to join us directly on Discord. So I'm going to create an event now. Create event. It's a pro event, a pro members event because we do 2 a day for the pro members. I've got some news about the war which I'm going to share and my trades overnight, what I'm going to be doing. So let's set this up. Pro event stage. Next. Are you ready? This is what tonight's show will be about. And it will be in 3:45. 3:45. There you go. Are you ready? Okay, apply that. Okay, I'm going to give everyone the link now. Here we go. Copy the link. Drop it in here for you. So this is where we're going to go now. Live now. Whoops, a daisy. Let me spell it properly. Live now on Discord. Okay, drop that in there. If you're not on Discord, it'll take you through to Electrum. It'll take you through to Extra, so you don't have to worry, and then you can catch up on today's events. Let me drop that in here for everybody as well. Lucas A chat. Live now. Okay, we're all good. The event is all set. No one else on board? No, we're good. Did we have any more comments and questions? So what's going up now? We're seeing... Are we getting a rebound? Oh, yes. There we go. There we go. Coca-Cola is up nearly 0.5% after hours. Fantastic. That's exactly what I've been waiting for all day. Just down now, 1.58 with $300,000, over $1,000 a month now on dividends alone. This is fantastic. Great. I'm loving it. This is what I promised everybody all day was coming, and it's there. All right, now we can start using our tax lots, selling the top lots, paying off the margin, keeping the bottom lots, and then we're ready to make some serious money without any drama, without any stress whatsoever. All right, let me read some comments before we end and go over then to Discord. We got 13 minutes. Ceasefire, says RVC. There's no ceasefire. Let me have a little look. Trump says extending Iran ceasefire until talks conclude. Right, okay, we've just got breaking news. You're absolutely right. Let me get this now. Breaking news just happened. Yep. Right, this will come up in a second then. Breaking news. We've just had the ceasefire will continue. That means we're not going that the war will not escalate for now. This is good news. So let me go to breaking news right now then. Here we go.
If Hamas hands the hostage...
No, we're not there yet. We're just waiting for the breaking news to start. How can breaking news start? You know what I'm saying. I mean, I hope you know what I'm saying anyway. But I'm trying to bring you the best of the news. But yeah, it does look like we've got some breaking news here. So please stand by. I mean, commercial breaks all over the bloody place. But anyway, just stand by a second. I can't believe we always have commercials. We're having a break and really important stuff. It drives me up the bloody wall. These bloody. Everyone's always like, you do 5 minutes, you have a bloody, in America, it's every 5 bloody minutes, you have a bloody break. So anyway, while we're waiting for the breaking news to be breaking news, it's time they have a cup of tea. I mean, what the hell's the bloody point of that? Hello, Frederick, how you doing? Hope all sounds works on time. Yes, we hope so. Yeah, we had an issue early, didn't we, Liz? Really weird. Did VUG get, yes, not diluted, no. VUG did a stock split. It's a good thing. It's a great thing. It means people with options now can buy again. It got too expensive. It's a good thing. VUG was a great stock split. More people will buy it. It's a good thing. Really, really great. Okay, ceasefire to reload maybe. Trump, the football scare is false. The football scare, what does that mean? Okay, here we go.
Ed, who was sacked over the Peter Mandelson vetting scandal today.
Oh, really? You're not covering it? We're not watching that. That's bloody rubbish. Why can't we have the proper news? Unbelievable. Okay. I'm sick and tired of hearing about bloody Jeffrey Epstein when we got important stuff going on.
Blockade of Iran in the Straits.
Let's go over here.
But we'll step in militarily and re-escalate should it be needed. People talk about this as if it's all one thing or the other, as if Trump's putting his foot on the gas or putting his foot on the brake, and it's a little more complicated than that.
Yeah, it's never so black and white. We just want to, we're talking about Terry Haynes of Pangea Policy. Just the headline now at this story and what's certainly top of mind for us. President Donald Trump said he would extend the ceasefire with Iran after plans for diplomatic talks between the two countries were scrapped. You might recall that he did say that while also the U.S. would hold off on fresh attacks, it would maintain its blockade on the Strait of Hormuz, of course, the vital waterway for oil shipments. Vice President J.D. Vance was due to travel to Pakistan to resume talks with Iran, but representatives from Tehran refused to attend, citing unreasonable U.S. demands. President Trump blaming the collapse of negotiations on a seriously fractured leadership structure in Iran. But Iran is also, there was a foreign minister came out and was not very happy about this blockade, saying that was a violation of the ceasefire.
I want to also bring in Adam Ferrer, Bloomberg Economics senior geoeconomics analyst for Asia Pacific, who's watching these developments closely. Adam, I want to go to the blockade question that Carol mentioned. If the U.S. keeps the blockade in place, but Iran says we will not negotiate until the blockade is not in place, then where does this leave room for a deal to be reached?
There's simply no question that we have a chicken or egg problem here, and it remains very much unclear what is driving, Iran's position moving forward, right? I mean, just today, it was said very clearly from the foreign minister that they see the U.S. blockade as an act of war and a violation of the ceasefire. And so, while the president obviously has come out already here and said that he plans to extend it, in to some extent for quite some time without putting a deadline on it this time, there is another party involved here, and the Iranians get a vote. And with the United States taking increasing actions to seize Iranian vessels, that there is this question of whether and how Iran will respond after the action over the weekend that saw the disablement and seizure of an Iranian cargo ship. Iran explicitly said that they would retaliate, although we haven't seen that as of yet. So right now, we don't know how Iran will read the U.S. actions and how long we really are looking at come.
Terry, I want to bring you back in. Terry, for Iran, it's existential, right? And the ability to have nuclear weapons. We've had many people say that to us. And I think we're not talking a lot about Israel, but our Wendy Benjaminson just brought it up. Let's not forget, Israel's also a player in this.
And Israel and Pakistan don't have diplomatic relations. So
correct.
That makes things even more complicated from a negotiations perspective.
And existential for them. I don't know how you get out of this.
Well, stop saying existential a lot, for one thing. I'm kidding. I
get paid by the existential.
Yeah, well, exactly. How you get out of it? Firstly, you keep as much pressure on Iran as possible. You don't, in a world of split government, you split governments. You don't know who you're negotiating with. That increases the peril of the situation, but it also makes it more important to keep maximum pressure on them. So the net is the blockade will continue. You notice that Iran didn't start objecting to the blockade as an act of war and a violation of the ceasefire until about 3 or 4 days.
Okay, we're not getting anything new. We're just getting
probably
commentators.
Tells you they're a little bit more extremist than anything else.
In fact,
secondly,
not very good commentators, if we're honest. Just talking rubbish at the moment. We're just waffling. So until we get something decent, I don't want to waste time on it. A lot of people are asking about VUG. It's all it is a forward split. When a stock gets so large, it's good to forward split. If you reverse split, that's a weak sign. That means the stock is going down. You've got to increase the price of the stock to keep it above the $1 minimum share to comply with regulations, right? But when you do a forward split, it's when the stock keeps growing and growing and growing, and you just want to divide it. It's exactly the same. You haven't gained any shares. You haven't gained any money whatsoever. That you still own the same piece of the pie. It's the same as, is it the same to have 10 shares at $10 or one at 100? You've still got $100 invested in the business. So you haven't gained anything today. You haven't lost anything today. However, it's a good thing because if you do options contracts, you need 100 shares to be able to buy an option contract, okay? So that's why they do it. So more people can do options now with VUG, and also retail investors who don't have access, who can't do fractional sharing. So they can only buy a whole share. It seems cheaper and it's more accessible. It's not cheaper. So when you're asking me, is it worth buying VUG today at these prices? It hasn't changed. It's the same asset. It tracks the same businesses. The businesses are doing the same. The valuation hasn't changed. It's a different price because it's it's divided by whatever it is, 6 or whatever it's been divided by. It's exactly the same asset. So don't just rush out and buy. Oh my God, it's $82. Yesterday it was $300. Oh, I'm going to buy some. Makes no difference whatsoever. It's the same asset. All right. I've got like whatever the split was, I've got that times many more shares. It happens all the time. The S&P's done it hundreds of times. It happens over time. It's not a big deal. It's nothing unusual. It's just regular stuff. And if it was good before, it's good now. It makes no difference whatsoever. All right? Okay. Just thought I would update you with that. I don't think we've got any more news coming out. No one's bringing it. Everyone's just waffling and talking bloody nonsense. So I'm not going to waste my time bringing you commentators who don't know what they're talking about. We'll wait till we get something better. I'm going to go over now to Discord, do my show, and the rest of you stay right where you are. It'll automatically take you to Discord, to the extra channel for a replay of today's events that you've missed. All right, so there we go. Market is trying to go up. Coca-Cola is kind of trying to go up, but I'm very glad to be in it. Very glad indeed. That's where you want to be. Don't want to be chasing stock, speculating, gambling, guessing, and there you go. Right, that's it from me. I've got 5 minutes, in fact 4 minutes. I'll be live on Discord for my last final stage event of the day, preparing our trades for overnight. The rest of you, I want to thank you all for tuning in. A special one today about crypto and YouTube. It's a whole new era, all right, a whole new era. A lot of YouTubers are going to go out of business, going to stop broadcasting, and quite honestly, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. It's making people much more accountable. You can't be using AI. You've got to, live is best. Have a personality, have an opinion, do something different. Don't just copy everybody else. And yeah, because of ChatGPT now getting all the how-to search information, it's damaging YouTubers, but it's a good thing. Those that just repeat and regurgitate and make videos just for their own benefit, it doesn't serve the wider community. It's a big day today, and you're going to see a lot of YouTubers go, your favorite ones will disappear. But we're not going to go anywhere because we never made videos, even though we end up with videos. We're all about being live and about the community. Okay. Let's have a little look. Was there any questions? VUG, wow. Thank you. VUG forward split, 1 share to 6. There it is, 1 share to 6 shares. White House event coming up. I just finished the questions. Oh, was that you? What, on Discord? Remember, I don't know who you are. Is it Kaio? Is that you? I mean, I'm guessing it's you. I don't know. You got a different name. I can't possibly know who you are. Okay. I've got a couple of people here. We've got Night Owl. I just checked a lot of other Discords through time and never found a good one. Yeah, I guess we will see. All right, this is Night Owl wants to join us. Okay, let me just do this then. I promise you it'll be the best. We want to be the best server in the world. We're the most inexpensive. I donate all my time to you. My time is worth about $500, $600 an hour, and I give it to you for $2 a month. I mean, literally. All right, no joke. I just like helping people, and that's all I want to do. All right. So, and it's always me. It's always live. There's no AI. There's no robots. So this is for Night Owl. Let me upload this to you. Give you our video to watch. Important you watch it. Kaio, I'm going to come on to you. I've only got 2 minutes because I've got to be in Discord for our stage event tonight. There we go. That's Night Owl. Then there was Kaio. Here we go. Interview. Yes. Have you answered the questions correctly? Yes. Yes, you have. All right, good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wish you congratulations and give you the link to join. And you have about 5 minutes. And that's all. We have a very short window. 5 minutes to become a member. You've watched the video. You know what it's all about. There you go. I have done that. I've just got to click approve. There you go. You've got about 5 minutes, couple of minutes really, to choose which membership that you want. When you've chosen your membership, there's standard or pro. I recommend pro just because everyone goes pro. I'm just saying it's the way it was designed. You just got to give somebody something, you know, the minimum, but the pro is the way to go. We got another one as well. Palamines wants to come in. Let me accept you in as well. So once you've chosen your membership, you have a couple of minutes. If you don't do it, we'll assume you don't want to, and you'll be removed from the server, and you won't be able to apply again because we don't go through it all over again. And there you go. Right. Oh, Trump is going live next. What time is this? Oh my gosh. Trump wants to go live now. Bloody hell, of all things. I'm trying to go live in Discord for my members. Like now Trump wants to go live again. When's he going live? He's going live in a minute. Shall we push back our Discord event? I suppose we probably should. Okay. It looks like. Do you want me to go live with Donald Trump for the speech, for what we're finding out? Would you like me to do that? Just put yes or no in the chat if you want me to cover the live event. Okay, I'll try and create it quickly. Create, go live. Have I got a template? Have I got a White House template? I haven't got time to make one up. I was just going to go into Discord. If you want me to cover the live event and see what Trump has to say yes in the chat. I'm just trying to see if I got. Okay, I do have one. Do you want me to go yes? Oh, yeah, everyone's going yeah. Urgent US-Iran war update. Okay. Bloody hell. Okay, I have an event. We'll just Discord. We'll just wait for a moment. Here we go. I'm setting it. We'll go straight there now. He's not spoken yet. That'll be redirect to there. It's live now. Okay. Okay. Let me make sure he hasn't gone live yet. No. He hasn't. He's about to. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Okay. I will now send you all through to it. That's 3 changes today. This is how crazy the markets go sometimes. This is why it's really hard to, people go, you said you'd do this, you said you'd do that. I mean, stuff happens, right? I mean, especially since Donald Trump's been the president, it's like every 5 minutes, it's like you don't know what the bloody hell's going on. It's very hard to keep up with it, but we do our best. I hope you enjoy it. There we go. Okay, I've got the event set up. I'm going to give you the link now. Stand by. He hasn't gone live yet. You're not going to miss anything. We'll probably be early. He'll probably keep us waiting for 3 hours. I'm just joking. I don't know how long it'll take. I've got a bloody clue. Right. White House. Okay, here we go. Okay. Live now. So we're going to change our pin for the 3rd time. Live now. Here we go. There you go. Live now from the White House. I'll show you on the screen what you're looking at so you know it's the right thing. Okay, here we go. So we'll go there now. There's no point hanging around. Then we can be ready for it, okay? So here we go. This is where we're going now. Stay right where you are. Live, Trump addresses the nation, live from the White House. We're going there right now. Join us for the event. We'll pick this up, see what he's going to say, see how it affects the markets, because of course it will. And then we'll do our Discord after that. So all my Discordians know, obviously, we are here doing this. They'll all know. So that's it. This is where we're going right now. We're going to go over to Trump, live from the White House. Let's see what's going on. Thank you, Vaz, for letting me know. I appreciate it. Let's get ready. No idea what's going to happen. Is the market's going to go up and down on this speech? Let's go and find out. So that's it from me. Stay right where you are. Join me now. You've got the link. It's pinned to the top. I've dropped it in the chat. It'll go there automatically. There it is again. There it is. That's it from me. See you there right now. Trump will be live any moment now. Thank you very much indeed. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other.